forgot to grab my rear cam and then walked out of the house. I'll wait a little bit and then I'll get over. Hopefully I won't have you guys looking for UFOs. Just want to get moving. It's supposed to be like 90 degrees today and it's already like there. We wave to each other. Still makes my day. I wave just before I switch lanes. Using my blinky blinks. Watch the construction will have me move back over to the other lane. Ready on the right, merge to the left. And you're in a rush. You're VIP. Your tail lights out. Just stating the obvious, I'm pretty good at that. Slow down there, Bucket. Prius has got a turn. Oh, maybe I should have stayed over to the left side. Oh, there's so many bumpies. It was fun. Fun. Hello, Jeep girl. Oh, I liked your sticker. Camera caught that. What's she doing? Yeah, it's a big truck. A little awkward, but you got it. Good job. Yeah, let's just come on over in the middle of an intersection. That was brilliant. That van have cooties. Okie dokes. Everybody's all crooked. Hello, people. Super Kids resale. They're reselling Super Kids. Kids are for sale from 3 to 6. Steel plate on roadway. Okay, should I go for it? Oh, there it is. My back is sore. I'm getting old. It's my birthday. I post this. You'll have to guess when it is. Okay. Well, this is a nice patch of pavement. I wonder how long it'll last. Probably not even this winter. It's much better than the bumpy patch job. I got a school bus behind me. Hello, school bus. Look at all the cool equipment. Oh. Yeah, just come on. I'm tiny and invisible. I swear some people just walk by that, push the button to mess with people. Maybe that dude? Okay. Or it's a ghost. It's a ghost that wants to cross the street. Couldn't really get over. There's too much traffic. I guess I'm still following this Tesla. Come on, Tesla. Oh my goodness. That's a ghost. Side to side to side to side. This is fun. This is fun. This is fun. This is fun. Oh, glitter. Oh, it's all sparkly. Dude, the crosswalk's right here. It's a hot, toasty day. Nothing like South Carolina in the summer, though. Anybody been there? Okie dokie, pokey cookie, pokey pokey, artichoke. Oh. Oh, that's twice. Okay. See, now I could go. Dude, I have a stop sign. That's twice now. I'm going to start doing a compilation of that. It's only a two-way stop, people. Whee! Not looking forward to all the flowers going away for the winter. I want to start up my garden again. Did you know we used to have a garden on top of our roof? It was actually pretty cool. I could never go up there, though. Hello, skater. Oh, you're such a rebel. So original. I will admit, though, that kid skates better than I do. I can rollerblade. Taught myself how to roller skate, rollerblade. Only played with my friend's skateboards. One was so wobbly I fell on my butt. Fun times. Look at me, 935.7. Cool. to remember I don't have to look up as high. Oh, I'm glad I didn't put that liner in. It is still so warm. Okay, yeah, I can slow down for you. What are you doing? Stopping in the middle of the freaking road. What the hell? You're still sitting there. Let's just stop in the middle of the road to, I don't know, look at GPS or something. Like, what is that dude doing? Not my problem. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. I really needed this tonight. It's like one last raw summery type night. Sure, it's dark, but my goodness, it feels good. I wonder how fast the temperature is going to drop as I get closer to my neighborhood. Go! Holy! I see blinkies. Blinky blinkies. Starting to cool off. It feels so perfect out right now. Very perfect. It's a lot of cars. What in the heck are we stopping for? Oh, I didn't see you come from the shadows. Hello, puppy. Cool. Oh, what a good dog. What a good dog. Okay. Or just cut in front of other... You got damage on the side of your car. I wonder where that came from. What a birthday. The only people that remembered my birthday are ones that matter. I cherish them and I value them. Oh, somebody replaced it with more glitter. Awesome.